Hello. Thank you for joining this tutorial. So this is about how to get started with SmartLobby. So the first question is, what is SmartLobby? So SmartLobby is the #1 staff and visitor management system on the planet today. It is a modern, very flexible, fast and secure platform. And it is a tablet app that you install and you set it up as a kiosk at your reception. Here you can see it looks really beautiful, and it runs on Apple iPad, Microsoft Windows, and also on any Android tablet. So SmartLobby has been used by many industry leaders. This includes the technology industry, automobile, healthcare, government, security, the food industry, energy, manufacturing, and many more. Yeah, so how do we get started with SmartLobby? To get started, you need mainly two things: an email address and a device. As said earlier, the device can be a Microsoft Windows desktop with touchscreen, or an Apple iPad, or an Android tablet, or an Amazon tablet, or any device. SmartLobby just runs everywhere. Yeah, so let's look at how you get started. Yeah, to get started, you go to our website, smartlobby.co, and you click on free trial. And here you need to enter your name. Let's say my name is Arcadius, and then the company name for this demo is the Snake Oil. Yeah, right. The email address for the demo, I have created a temporary email, so let's copy that address here, and then you put the address in here, and the phone number doesn't really matter. Something, any number will do. Yeah, and then get started. Yeah, so thank you. Now if we look at our inbox, we should receive an email shortly. Let's refresh again and see. Right, we got one. It's saying, "Dear Arcadius, thank you very much for your interest in SmartLobby." And we have 4 links. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 links in the email. The first one is for the Apple Store. So when you click on this, it takes you to the Apple Store for installing the SmartLobby app on your tablet. If you click on the second one, it takes you to the Amazon, to the Google Play Store. And then the third one is the Microsoft Store. And then the fourth one is the Amazon. So as you can see, SmartLobby runs almost everywhere. Yeah. So for the demo, I have a tablet here, an emulator. Yeah. So it looks like this. It is a Samsung Galaxy emulator. So I have already installed the app on the tablet. So let me launch the app here. This is the SmartLobby tablet app. Now we have completed the installation part. The second step is to register. So you need to register with your email so that SmartLobby create the 30 days trial for you. Yeah. So if your email address is a Gmail account, if your email address is hosted by Google, you can just click on this button to register. In this scenario, because we have a temporary email, we just click on here. Yeah? And then the email address. Yeah, I guess we have it in the clipboard. Yeah, it is, yeah, this one, the password. Right. So note here that we are registering for the very first time. For the very first time, you don't want to log in because you don't have an account here. You need to register. So let's click here, register. Yeah, and then that's where we need to put the email address and then create a password and so on. So we have the email address pasted in there, the full name, let's say Arcadius A, and then the password, let's choose something. This account is temporary, it's going to be deleted after this demo, so the password doesn't really matter. I just do like 1 2 3, yeah, for this demo. Next. Right, so the account has been created, but the next step is we need to activate the account by verifying our email. So let's go back to the inbox. Let me close all of these windows here. Right, so in the inbox now we should have, because we just registered, we should have an email coming. Well, we have another email from SmartLobby ID. We have here a link. The link is to allow us to activate the account. Yeah, you go to that link and then it should activate the account. Right, thank you for activating your SmartLobby ID account. Yeah, so we are all set to go now. Let me close this. Now if I come here, the email address, let me copy that. Okay, so I come back here to the tablet and now I try to log in, because now I have an account. I can log in. I don't need to register anymore. Now I have an account set up. Okay, and then the password. Yeah, so log in this time, and then right, so now the tablet is triggering the account creation process on our backend servers. So continue. Right, this is the welcome screen. So after installing and setting up the system, you have this welcome screen. Yeah, so most users, and I support you will not want to use this screen like this. You want to brand it, you want to put your own logo and change it to fit your own business. Yeah, so that's what we are going to do. So now after the full installation, you have another email with a link to the admin dashboard. Yeah, so on the admin dashboard, you need to log in. Again, if you have a Gmail account, you click here. If you have a bespoke email address, you can click on this one to log in. So the email address, then log on to the admin dashboard. Yeah, and right, continue. Right, so this is the admin dashboard. The first thing you want to do is you go to the welcome screen configuration, and that's where you have your logo. Yeah, let's change the logo. Go to download, snake oil. We put our own logo there, which is snake oil logo. Yeah, the logo is here. We may also want to change the background of the home screen. So again, go to snake oil, and then we put the welcome background. Right, so I can save this. Right, after saving this, I can go to the tablet again, and now you see, now we have the snake oil logo here and then the background as well. Yeah, so let's try to sign in. Yeah, let's assume that I am a visitor called a lady called Emma Jackson. Yeah, and then I click next. Here you see who I am. So I am either a visitor, a contractor, a delivery driver, or a vendor. Yeah, so again, you can change this. Everything here is modifiable. So you can go to the admin dashboard again, and here in the settings section, yeah, we have here the predefined sign-in fields. If you click there, you can see collect visitor types. So we have a list here: visitor, staff, contractors, and so on. Because we are snake oil, we may need a visitor type like chemical engineer, or petroleum engineer, something like that. Yeah, let's add those two. And also notice that, let's go to the next step. Yeah, you see we have many fields here, like more about Emma, the company she worked for, her email, her phone number, her car number, and so on. Yeah, you can see all of those fields are different here. Let's say her job title. Yeah, we can say for Emma, we don't need, for this company, we don't need to collect job title. We can disable that, or we can say we don't want to take picture, we can disable that, and so on and so forth. We can say we don't want to collect emails, we can disable that as well. So the system is that flexible. You can enable or disable fields as you wish. And moreover, if there are fields that you need for your business and they are not in the system, you can create your own by clicking on bespoke sign-in field and add your own field. Yeah, that's feasible. And yeah, for Emma, let's save the configuration. Let's say for Emma, okay, one more thing. Let's say collect visitor host. Yeah, you could say that, let's say for staff, you don't need to collect the host they are visiting, right? You can say for staff, I want only I want to collect the host only for visitors, for contractor delivery, and so on. So you can also choose who should see which field. You see, so the system is very, very flexible. Yeah, very, very flexible. Yeah. So by default, if nothing is checked, everybody will see that field. Yeah, let me save this one and then we can see. Yeah, let's go back again and start over with Emma. So let's sign in again. We have Emma here, Emma Jackson. Yeah, right. So next, you see now we have now the chemical engineer, petroleum engineer, because we just add that now. Let's say she's a petroleum person. Right. So next, yeah, those are the fields you can enable or disable, hide or create your own. Yeah, and you can also make them optional or mandatory. It's all in there on the admin dashboard. So taking a picture, yeah, we can take a picture for Emma. However, because I'm using the same camera for recording, we may have some trouble, so I will skip the picture here for now. Yeah, so who is Emma visiting? This is the list of staff member that you have in the system. Currently we have no staff member, so we are going to skip this part. Or even because this field is not mandatory, we can type anything. Let's say John Smith. Yeah, and this is the host Emma want to visit, and yeah, and this is the badge you get, and the badge has a QR code. You can see here we have a badge here printed already, and you have a QR code. The QR code will allow Emma next time to just scan the code instead of typing her own name. Yeah, so we have Emma. Let's sign in. Right, so Emma is now in the system. Yeah, and the host that Emma has visited should receive a text message and also an email message. Yeah? And if we go back now to the admin dashboard, if you look at people, yeah, we have Emma Jackson here. We can edit it. We can even add a profile picture because we couldn't take that picture earlier. We can add a picture for Emma so it looks nicer. Yeah. So Emma's picture. Let's save that. Right, save. Right. So Emma is now in. Yeah, we have the picture there. Right. And also because Emma is in the system, when you go to roll call is the people who are currently logged in at the given location. And this is really useful for in case there is a fire incident. If there is a fire alarm, a fire warden can download a list of all people in the system so that they can make sure that there is nobody stuck in the building. You see, and when there is an incident, a fire incident, you can go to evacuation, and you can point the whole call, send evacuation message to everybody in the building. This could be like a text message or an email, and also you can switch on evacuation mode, and what that does is it switch the tablet into, like, you can no longer use the tablet, it's just show this picture here. Yeah, once the fire incident is over, you can click here to enable the tablet again. So basically, yeah, this is the flexibility the system offers. Moreover, we also have we have so many features. I can't demo all of them in the time we have here, but if I go to predefined field, we also have a survey. Yeah, you can enable visitor satisfaction survey, which means that any visitor who come in can say, when they are signing out, they can say whether they were happy or unhappy or something. And you can also choose who should see the survey. Yeah, let's just enable it now, and we save this thing. All right. So Emma, let's say Emma went to work and she just finished. So she comes here, she type again Emma. Yeah, because she's the only person there, she type E, we have Emma already. Then you come here, now she can sign out and she have the survey. If she was happy, fine, happy days. If she was sad and happy, now she can put more comment here and say she can complain about something, you know. Let's say she complain about the toilet. Yeah, let's say toilet not clean. Yeah, so when she submit this one, the manager of the facility will get a message, or maybe it could be also the receptionist. They will get a message saying there is something wrong. Emma was not happy because the toilet is not clean. You see, so basically this is hopefully what you have. Let's say Emma comes in another day, she can sign in, or another person comes in, and the history is kept here so that the visitor, when they come, they don't have to type their full name again. They have the QR code to speed up the sign-in process. And on the dashboard, you have the visit history here, which shows you who has been there for how long. You see, Emma stayed here for 3 minutes only. And also, we also have a timesheet. You can even generate timesheet from here. And basically, it's a very, very useful, very helpful, very powerful platform. Yeah, SmartLobby is a very powerful platform, and we'll be very glad, you know, if you have any question or suggestion or anything, feel free to talk to us. We are very excited to hear from you. And thank you very much for watching this demo. And any question, anything, you go to our website. We always have like the chat bot here. You can chat with us. Actually, not a bot, we are real human. You put your detail here, we will start a conversation with you. And you can also WhatsApp us or email us. We are always listening. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.